Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. So please excuse me for today. I'm having cold and cough. So in the live, it might be a bit inconvenience for you. So just give me a second. I'm just sorting the things out. Yeah. So I'm also opening the live so that I can see your comments and all. So again, from the beginning itself, I'm saying please excuse for this live. Okay. So bear with my cold and cough and my voice today. Okay, please let me know in the chat. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible without any problem? And also, we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that others also can join. Just now we came to the live, so just now the notification will go to the students and they can also join. And if they have any doubts, they can also ask us. Right. So this is one of the most important topic. A lot of people are unable to clear in the Capgemini XLR. And also we had the news about Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring on campus. So the students of our prime, like our prime students, already have given the information today. So if it is yes, please let me know in the chat so that we will do live for you tomorrow and day after based on the Cognizant written test. And Cognizant also will consisting of game-based aptitude as well as coding also and communication round all. So we will come to the live and we will give you the pattern and syllabus and the topics you need to prepare. So everything we will give you on live session itself. So please let us know in the chat. Okay. I hope we waited for sufficient time. So without any further delay, let's get started. Yes, some people are saying in their college they have Cognizant hiring, right? So tomorrow I am promising you we will come to the live for the Cognizant. Okay, today we will complete Capgemini. Okay, so the Capgemini game-based aptitude will consisting of deductive logical thinking, which is nothing but geo pseudo code related challenges. So what they will give is they will give either 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 grid based on the geometric Sudoku, which is nothing but in the Sudoku rows and columns. Instead of numbers, they will give the shapes, geometric shapes like triangle, circle, star, or pentagon, hexagon, whatever it might be. Okay. So you need to find that, and the duration is 6 minutes. And whenever you are answering more number of questions, the more number of questions will appear in the examination. So within this 6 minutes, how many questions you will solve is the matters. So remember, they will give a lot of questions. How much quick you will solve, they will give more number of problems. Okay. So please try to complete the problems within the very less time. Within the seconds you need to complete. And the next one is inductive logical reasoning, which is nothing but visually they will give the find the pair of the figures that follows the same rule as a given pair. So they will give you two figures and those two figures will be similar to each other or they will follow a particular rule. And in the options they will give you four options and you need to choose the options which are following the same rule as the given example. And next one is grid challenge, which is nothing but check if the two grids are identical or not and remember the position of the coordinates. It is of the one of the most important thing and I will show you how to do this type of grid challenges as well. And motion challenge, it's like a maze puzzle, which is nothing but it is a you need to find the shortcut between the 2 points. And switch challenge is nothing but some objects they will give in a order and they will change their order in the output. So in which switch it's need to go through this so that the output will be designed. And last but not least, digit challenge is nothing but you have to solve a mathematical operation and they will give you some blanks and they will equal to, for example, 8. So you need to insert any numbers between these arithmetic operators to make the RHS equal to the LHS. So these are the major and almost most repeated topics you need to take care while you are doing the game based aptitude. Am I clear about the pattern, guys? So you understood there are 6 model questions they will give you in this. And also see, recently Cognizant is hiring on campus. So in order to get all these updates, see guys, whether it not might not be the only off campus, what is going around the placements, the information is very important. For example, Infosys off campus is going on, and Cognizant on campus is going on, Tech Mahindra on campus is going on. A lot of hirings is happening. Even recently, LTM Mindtree also on campuses happened for 2026. So first you need to know the information. Based on that, you can predict the future, and also you can predict when the off campus also will come, so you can prepare accordingly. So that's why I suggest always follow our Instagram handle, where we will post a lot of hiring posts and internships. And when coming to the Discord, WhatsApp, and Telegram channels, we are always happy to communicate with you, and we have a lot of people on Discord onboarded. And if you have any doubts and you want to directly contact with us, you can follow our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Okay. So all the links is given in the description of the video. So without any further delay, let's do this. Yeah, Ranger Gaming YT, for which company you have received the test link, please let us know in the comment section and we will make a videos on it. Yeah, Ranger Gamer YT, we already recently did Infosys pattern and test syllabus. You can go through that video lecture, or it might be live. You can find in our channel. Go to our YouTube channel and you can find under either live section or under the video section. So Infosys complete pattern we already given. And please share the screenshot with our team, whatever the mail you got, and the Ranger Gamer YT, just go to our YouTube channel. You will find it easily. Recently I did like 1 week back. Okay, recent videos. And also please share the screenshot so that you can get more information from us. And the WhatsApp number is given in the description, live chat as well. So please, whoever the moderator, please share the WhatsApp number. The student will share us the screenshot so that we can do the live for them as well, if possible, on the tomorrow. Infosys exam is moderate. Okay, so just look into the problem. First problem, we'll talk about Ranger YT at the end of the session, don't worry. Meanwhile, please send the screenshot to our team and we will cross verify and I will let you know. So how many steps are required to solve this puzzle? Guys, it's completely depend on the people. To be open, I am saying game based aptitude or gamified aptitude won't have any unique answer. Sorry, it's my bad. So it won't have any unique answers. Always there are multiple answers. But based on the solution you did, they will see your problem solving skills. For example, here, so many people will feel like we can move this yellow bar here. And if you move this only directly here, it can't happen, right? You need to slide them. So it will go first here. So one move. Next it will go to here. So orange bar will be here. So 2 moves completed. Next red ball will go here and another move. Go here, another move, and join the black, another move. 3 moves. 3 plus 2, total 5 moves. Okay. And people who might not think about this, they will find another ways also. First they will move this red ball to this place. And they will move this. And they will move this to this. And again they will reach this. And they will take around 7 steps. So again I'm telling you, game based aptitude is depends on how you solve the puzzle. There is no unique answer. For example, if you take 7 steps, they will cross verify in the future, like, okay, his solution is not optimized. So optimized solution also very important. Just look at here. The normalized solution I said is, first step is red ball is moved to top. The second step, orange bar is moved to this place. And the next step, blue tile is moved here. And see, still we don't have any block left, right? Next, simply this place came here. So we have a clear path. It will go like this. That's why here they took 6 steps. Earlier we did how many steps? We simply did one move here, second move here. So orange will be here. So the path is clear now. So 2 steps, third step, fourth step, fifth step. So I solved in 5 steps also. If you need, you can solve furthermore. For example, move this thing like a violet color. Okay. So move this violet color to here and move again to the top. So violet color will be here. And here these 2 boxes are free, right? Now also I can move or red here. I can move red openly here and I can remove red to here. So it's all depends on how you solve the puzzle. There is no unique answer, again I'm telling you. But always you need to remember one thing. Can I do it in optimized way? This is what you need to look for. Even sometimes me also will do normalized methods. Sometimes I might miss the optimized solution as well. But it will comes by practice. How we can achieve optimized solution is nothing but by practice. So practice more number of questions. If you want to practice, you have a Prepinsta page as well. There you can practice all these things. Okay, I hope you understood about the first problem. Let's look into the similar problem. How many steps we can do? You guys need to answer in the chat. Okay, Cognizant is hiring for the analyst role. Yeah, whatever maybe the analyst trainee or whatever the role, aptitude will remain same. So don't worry. Aptitude is on all is going to test your problem solving ability, guys. It's not related to anything like, sorry, aptitude is very important for data analyst, is not that much important, but they want to test your problem solving ability. So that's why they are going to test your aptitude skills in the written test. So what is the answer? Meanwhile, I'm looking into the chat. No one is responding. So around a lot of people were there. So you guys need to respond. Okay, just look at here. How many steps are required to solve this puzzle? So just look at here, guys. Here, if I move this blue block to here, nothing will happen. And if I move orange to here, I can't get the path. Why? Because green color is objecting. And even I have to move this blue color outside so that I can get the path. Why? Because this is the only path I left. And if I move them here, I will block the path from red to black, right? So how to do this problem? Let's see. Let's make the first step as move this orange to this place. And next move green to the second place. So still I have an open area for the red color ball. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so this total area is free, right? Then what I can do is I can move this out and I can move to this. Then this block is occupied and this red color area is occupied, whatever I am drawing. So all these things are imaginary in your brain. And can I get the path here? See, simply One move, two moves, third move, fourth move. So I can reach. So this is how you need to solve the problem. So how many steps we took? Here you don't have to think about how many steps. When you are moving, it's a animated oriented puzzles only. So you will easily watch it. So simply for that I have given like this. See, the first one moved here and the second one is moved here. And see, the path is created, right? So only this is the obstacle for us. So simply I will move the third step and the fourth step. And remaining steps are red moved one times, second time, third time, fourth time. So reach the black hole, red ball will take around 4 steps. So these 4 steps are for red to move and these 4 steps are to create the path. So total 8 steps. I don't know how you guys got the 3 steps solution. Guys, remember, they can't take out and place. Okay, remember, they will slide. You can't take and replace. For example, see, so many people think that, sir, I can directly take this blue color out and I can place here. It can't move, remember, guys. Okay, it can't go directly here. If it is need to go, then we need to clear the green first. In order to move that, you have to clear orange first. So if you move these 2 blocks away, then it will go up and it will slide. Okay, so it is not like a drag and drop. It is a motion oriented challenge. Okay, I will give you at the last one puzzle as a assignment. So this is your puzzle assignment I will talk about at the end. So meanwhile, look into the another model question. Okay, so please solve the following puzzle. So I told you, right, geo pseudocode, which is nothing but just look at here. The grid challenge is completed. Sorry, motion challenge is completed. So let's go to the next one, that is called deductive logical thinking, which is nothing but geo pseudocode based challenge. Okay. So how to do this type of problems? It's very easy, guys. Rows and columns are there and they will give you few symbols and they will give you one question mark. You need to tell me which symbol you need to place here. That's it. Okay. So the puzzle will always remember, you need to know about pseudocode rules first. The rules are, the same symbol cannot come twice in the same row or column. So what is the Sudoku rule? The number cannot be repeated in the same column or row, right? So we will take that rule and we will follow and we can easily complete. For example, just look at here. In this, square is here. In this row, square is here. In this row also square is here. In this row also square is here. Sorry, column. But if you observe in this column, square is not there, right? So obviously the square need to come here. Sir, why square need to come here? Because in the horizontal rows also, if you observe, square is covered all the rows and columns. Only the row and column we need to fetch the square is here. And we don't have any places to place square. The only place we left to place the square is the question mark itself. So here you don't have to solve total puzzle. Remember, guys, you don't have to solve total puzzle. You have to predict which symbol can be there and must be there. So just look at it, how I did. I have seen 4 squares. So I thought like, okay, might be square will give you the answer properly. So square is here, so square cannot come here. And square is here, so square cannot come in this row and column. Square is here, so square and column can't come. Square is here and column and row cannot come. So if you see, all the blocks are got cancelled. Only one block is left, that is question mark. So where square will come? Definitely here. So the answer is option B. So please let me know in the live chat. You guys understood my logic or not? If you didn't understand, I will explain again, guys. No problem. Learning is the major key. Okay. You guys understood GG in the chart? Good to go. So I'm looking to the chart. Okay, you guys understood. Nice. Okay. Just look into the. I came live. Okay. Let's look into the next problem. Let's solve this problem. The problem is given as geo pseudocode same. The question mark is here. Again, I'm telling you guys. Whatever the symbols are have a majority, try to eliminate them. Or second thing is, which symbol cannot come on the question mark, eliminate them. So vice versa, you can do any type of approach, you will get the answer. See, for example, square is in the first row. So square cannot come in the question mark place. Why? Because square is already placed here. So my answer is not square. Next, if you observe in the column, in this column we have a triangle as well. So triangle cannot be our answer. Next, observe one thing. Here, hexagon is already came in this row. Sorry. Here if you observe, guys, I think I can place one more symbol here. Why? Because in horizontal way 3 symbols, vertical way 3 symbols was there. So I can place plus symbol here. Sorry, plus is already used. Triangle is not used. So I can place triangle here. If triangle is here, what else we left with? Circle, hexagon, plus symbol. Why only? Okay, plus symbol is there. So here plus must be here. Why? Because see guys, here I just haven't seen the plus symbol. See guys, here already plus symbol is here and a triangle need to come, right? But plus is already here, so I can't place plus here. So that's why I placed triangle and here I placed the plus. Next, if you observe here 4 symbols are already occupied. So we left with only one symbol, that is what? Square. Right? Plus symbol already came. And if you observe here circle cannot come. And if you observe here also circle cannot come. Okay, I got the answer. Just observe. Circles we have 3 times, right? So circle cannot come in this row. And circle also cannot come in this row. And circle also cannot come in this row. So for circle, all the places got eliminated. So only we left with this option, circle D. So here also I went in first wrong direction. See guys, in a unique way you can't get the answer every time. For example, I have seen this problem for the first time. Earlier I thought like let's eliminate the options. But again I realized that based on the circle the problem is easy. See, circle is here, so circle won't come here. And circle is here, so circle cannot come here. And circle is here, circle cannot come here. And already this place is occupied by square, so circle cannot come here. So for the circle we don't have any place than question mark. So answer is option D. So it's very simple guys. The way of approach is important. Even I will also do sometimes mistake. Because every logical puzzle will have a unique solution. But the way of approaches were different. Even for example, if I fill this here like triangle plus, next here I can place like square, and I can fill the remainings, right? For example, see what is the positions left here in these 2 places. We have left with plus circle, so circle cannot come here, and here square hexagon not come here. So like that you can cross verify everything. So hexagon will come here and square will come here and circle will come here. So I will fill this row. So this is another approach. But similarly I got the same answer. So whatever the approach you will follow, some approaches will take less time, some approaches take more time. That's it. So it will all come by practice only. Next, look into the next problem. So the problem may seems like a bit difficult. It is 6 by 6 grid. So earlier we have seen 5 by 5. Now I am showing you 6 by 6. Here also same thing, guys. See, in question mark, plus cannot be your answer. Why? Because in this row already plus is there. And circle also cannot be your answer. Circle is already there. And if you see vertically, which is nothing but column wise, triangle cannot be the question mark. Why? Because triangle already came. Star cannot be your answer. Why? Because star already came. Square cannot be your answer. Why? Because square is in the same column. So all the options got eliminated. Only one chance left, that is hexagon. So question mark must be hexagon. So it might be 6 by 6, but the question is very easy. Why? Because along with the question mark, we have 5 symbols in the row and column. So I can easily eliminated one. Right? So it's very easy, guys. So let's look into the next one. Before going to the next problem, guys, if you want to practice all these things, I suggest go to our Prepinsta Prime and go to the section under aptitude. And in the aptitude section, you can see all the data interpretation, visual reasoning, and cryptarithmetic and essay writing and game-based aptitude section. In this game-based aptitude section, you can find all the different models of different patterns of the examination, and game-based aptitude asking for the both the companies. So it will be beneficially for you. Like Cognizant, Capgemini, both can be used for this game-based aptitude. And if you want to clear other rounds, you can use this aptitude section. And if you want to clear the coding round, you can learn either C, C++, Java, Python, and also you can learn data structures in different programming languages along with the competitive coding and intermediate coding and basic coding. Also, if you want to build your resume in a stronger way, please go to the upskilling courses like GenAI, data science, data analyst, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or AML, AWS. So statistics for data analyst. So all these courses you can watch. And if you want to go to the development side, guys, in your resume you need to keep your any projects, right? The projects must be visible. Only DSA can't make your resume build stronger. Along with the DSA, you need to have at least one upskilling course and project. So I suggest if you want to go to the development side as well, go to full stack course and you can see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and Angular, Node.js, jQuery, and all front end and back end web development through MERN stack. Okay, so MongoDB also you can learn. And if you want to know about company specific syllabus only, you can go to the company specific syllabus, or if you want to go to product based company, you can go to the product based company. If you want to prepare for interviews, you can prepare from here. And also if you want to build the projects and to keep them in your resume, you can see these projects we already implemented. Just you need to practice them and you can put it in your resume and good to go. And also computer science subjects like STLD and operating system, DBMS, SQL, computer networking, everything you can learn. And Sudoku and automata fix also very important for Capgemini and Cognizant. And if you don't have any resume prepared before, so you can come to the interview plus section and you can prepare the resume by seeing the resume course as well. All these 200 plus courses you will get at only one single subscription, that is Prepinsta Prime. So use the coupon code KTKMAX. Get the 80% discount. As of now, sale is going on, Big Billions Day sales. So use the coupon code KTKMAX. Get the huge discount, guys. Okay, this is the lowest prices ever we are giving to you, so you can easily afford, and it will be definitely worth paying your money. So also if you want to prepare previous year questions, so come to prepinsta.com. So if you take Prepinsta Prime subscription, prepinsta.com access also free. and come to all platforms, and you can go to the Capgemini or Cognizant Gen C, and you can start your preparation like pseudocode questions, English communication, game based aptitude, and everything will be available under the one subscription only. So all the questions you can practice a lot of times, if whenever you need, wherever you need. So without any further delay, let's get started with the next question. So look at the next question, which is depends on first the fits the rule challenge, which is nothing but you have to solve the puzzle. These two grids follow a specific rule. There is a slight specific rule, guys. It won't be the constant or same. Okay, sometimes it might follow, sometimes it won't, might be follow. For example, I thought like first there are three circles, here also three circles. So I am assuming three circles. But if you observe in the image one only, we have a three circles, and remaining everywhere I have a two circles. So this is not my correct logic. And also next I have seen this column. If you see this column, one circle, two triangles. This is the common element between these two, right? If you clearly observe in these two images, this is a common thing. Why? Because there is no horizontally matching rule. There is nothing. But vertically, one column is got matched. So let's see whether the similar thing is there in the images of the output they have given as the options. So here they have in the reverse order. So see here they have given this, and here also they have given this. So image 3 and image 2 are matched with the input rule. So that's why you have to choose these two images. That's it. There is nothing to explain much also. It all comes by practice. Got my point? And those who are not along with me, please click on the live button. Some people are responding now in the chat. So click on the live button so that you will be on up to date with me. Okay. Next. These two grids follow some specific rule. And what is the rule? If you clearly observe, guys, for example, if I had taken these two not matching, these two are only matching with the square. Okay, only one row, one column is matching. For example, triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, triangle. But it is not in the last column, it is in the middle. So it is not the correct logic, I guessed. What can be the next possibility? Guys, just look at here. First row, first column. Almost 5 positions got similar. Whether it come or not. Image 1, yes, matched. Image 2 not matched. Image 3 also not matched. Image 4 matched. Okay. So the logic we got here is the specific rule between them is first row and first column are same for these two images. Similarly, for the image 1 and image 4, both are same. So here nothing we can explain, guys. This is a game. This is how you need to play. Nothing else. Next, this is the problem depends on sequential oriented, which is nothing but inductive logical reasoning. So you need to find, please mark the object does not fit the rule. So all are following some rules and some are not following the rules. So let's see who are following the rules, who are not following the rules. Here 1, 2 is given. Next 2, 3 is given. Next 3, 4 given. And again 4, 5 is given. Guys, if you observe, the last element and the first element are same. Which do you think about? On the top, the last element in the previous box will be the first element in the next box. But if you observe here, 5 must come here, but 6 came. So fifth one might be the wrong. Let's wait. We'll check for the bottom as well. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Here minus 4. Here minus 5. Here minus 7. Okay, observe guys. Every bottom pair of the elements is decreased by minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So next must be minus 6. But minus 7 came. So totally because of the 5, I am unable to cross this and continue. But if you see from the 6 again, 7, 8, 8, 9, again 9, 10, 10, 11. These are sequential. Because here see, minus 9, sorry, minus, this is also went wrong, right? Because of this. Okay, so because of 5, remaining also went wrong. So because of 5, we went wrong for the remaining as well. So it's very simple. You need to fetch from where it went wrong. Okay. Next, look into the next problem. Guys, please respond in the chat. Am I clearly audible? And till now, everything fine? I'm looking to the chat, guys. Please respond. So there will be a 10 seconds delay between you guys and me. Everything is okay till now. Am I audible clearly? So people are saying C is the answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, all numbers have symbols. Symbols means they are changed with the position. Okay, let's do with the position only. Why? Because when I see the numbers difference, I will track the number differences. But when I have a constant symbols, I will track with the positions. Right? So here it is just slided. So it went to this position. Next it is shifted to here. Again it is slided to middle. Okay, equal to is moving in anti-clockwise direction. First thing it was, whatever I recognized is nothing but equal to is going in a reverse direction, which is nothing but anti-clockwise. But sometimes it is moving half of the path, half of the side, and in the next image it is sliding entire side of the image. So I don't know whether you guys got this or not. Just look at here. This came to the next image, and here it is sliding entire way and it came here. Okay, so half of the side it is moving and a complete side it is moving like that. Okay, so here half is moved. I am writing as a half. Okay, so that you guys also will understand. Half moved. Next completely move, so one move. Next again half, and again next full. All are moving in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay guys, so remember direction will be like this only. Next again after one it's need to be half, so it will come here, true. Again one, true. Again half, true. Again full, true. So because of equal to there is no disturbance. Let's check with the plus. Plus came to middle, so plus jumped by one position. Why? Because it is not slided, it went to this place. So two position shift, right? So one. And next it went to half place from here to here, right? So half journey. Again half. Okay guys, just look at here. Equal to is moved first half, next one, next half, next one, and so on. But equal to is moved, sorry, plus is moved, one half, like that it is need to move, right? But if you observe here, from this half, next must be one, so it's need to go here. So it must be here, right? But it is moved only half. So fourth symbol is wrong. So option C is correct. So Sivanand already given the answer. It's very simple, guys. Just you need to know how much journey it took. I said like this entire side is 1 meter. So it is traveled half meter, 1 meter, like that I have remembered. So one off I said simply. So in order to understand only, you can fetch any topic you want. Okay. So simply remember, if you don't have a clarity about the thing, take the screenshot and observe. Here it is moved 1 meter. Why? Because half meter and half meter. Next it is moved half meter from here to here. Next it's need to move 1 meter, but it is just moved from here to here half meter only. So fourth one is wrong. Because of that, remaining pattern will go wrong. Last but not least, the most important pattern you guys need to understand, that is which model? I told you in the beginning. So let me show you the starting one. Switch challenge is digit challenge is not completed. This is completed. And switch challenge, geometric sequence problem, shapes pass through switch. So switch challenge we are going to complete. And next digit challenge also there, I forgot. So switch challenge, let's do this. So just look at the problem, guys. Whenever you have these problems, guys, I will tell you the solution. Okay. What is the path you need to choose so that the output will match the input will match the output. So whenever you have this, the problem solution is always give the number to symbols. Yellow is 1, triangle is 1, circle is 2, square is 3, and plus symbol is 4. If it is go through any one of the switch, it will change the order. So for example, if it is went to 2, 3, 1, 4, if it is go to the 2, 3, 1, 4, what is the order will be, right? Square, circle, and square, and triangle, and plus. Like this it will change. Okay. So now it need to go to the one option of these switches, and it's need to cross this as well. So remember how to do these problems, I will tell you. Here there is a fixed switch, right? And you know the output of this switch. So then what you have to do is you have to find the input. So if you know the input here input no, here output will know of this switch, so that you can choose the switch. Why? Because when you know input and output of the switch, you can find it. But if you don't know how to find, I will tell you. Just remember, if you have a fixed switch, give this number 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay, whatever the switch number, the same number will give it to the output symbols. So when you reverse engineer it, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4 regular order. So the regular order before this switch is first circle, next one is triangle, the third one is plus, and the fourth one is square. So this is the input for this switch. That's why I see circle is 1, right? At which position 1 is there? Sorry guys, give me a second. Okay, accidentally the presentation went exit. So just look at here, 1 is here, right? So initially circle is 1 as input, and after the output it become at 4th place. So I found the input. This is the original input and this is the output for this switch. For these 3 switches, now this is the output and this is the input. Just look at here, triangle will be 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now tell me, triangle went from 1 to which place? second place. So 1 must come here. Next 2 become the first place. And the 3 will become fourth place. And 4 will become third place. So in order to make this arrangement, you need to pass through 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3 is option switch 3. So this is how you need to choose the numbers, guys. Always remember, once if the data went through any switch, again it will be reset to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you need to think. They won't be fixed again. Okay, every time triangle cannot be the one. After completion of this switch, whatever the data will come here, now circle will become 1. That's why circle came to the last position. So this is how you need to complete this pattern of the problems. So here I have given more complex one. Sir, how to solve this type of problems? We are having less time. So when you have a less time, I will suggest you one thing. Do like this. Okay. See, simply take a square as a 4. Now if you pass through any one switch, for example, I am taking in simple direction 4. I am taking first switch. 4 become how much? 3. So 4 now become third position. And here, if you pass through this, what is this? 4. So again 3 become fourth place. So number you need to swap with the position. This is a bit tricky, but you guys will get this if you have a practice. This needs some really good practice. See, 4 become 3. So now it is 3. So the the square is 3. Now 3 become 4 after this switch. And 4 remains 4. So square is exactly at the same position, correct? So this might be your answer, might not be your answer as well. Why? Because see, because of this we got the same answer. So here also in the option C or 3, we have a 4 at the third place. So here also we will get the same pattern. So in order to eliminate, we have eliminated one switch already. Okay. Why? Because if it is 4, it cannot go to the fourth position. So only between these two options we left with the answer. So if you observe, the first place and the last place is 2, right? So I will go with the triangle. Triangle is 2. So if I go to this switch, it will become 1. If I go to this switch, it will become again 2. If I go to this switch, 2 at the place of 1, right? So it will become 1. So triangle at the right place. So my answer is the first option. Second option cannot be the answer. See how simply we are doing the problems. So I didn't really understand. Guys, it is really needed the practice a lot. To be open, so many people, they will took 6 minutes for one problem itself if they are given this level. But those who are really practiced, they will take only 1 minute so that they will be in the selection zone. This type of shortcuts, whether you understood or not, to be open, out of the live 50 above % students don't understand this concept. I know. Why? Because the type of shortcuts we will create will be very easily adaptable, but you need some background theory. If you don't know that, you can't understand this. Sorry for my explanation if you didn't understand. But the shortcut, if you observe carefully, see how simple I did the problem. Right? So this is how you can do. And even if you observe 2, 2, 2. 2 is in the different positions for the each switch. So I will start with the triangle. First it will go to first position. So position 1. Then it will go to position 2. So 2 remains the same, 2. And 2 will go to the fourth place. So parallelly I am doing for all the switches. And 1 here will become 2. 2 here will become 1. 4 here will become 3. And again 2 here become 1. And 1 will become 3 and 3 will become 2. So initially the triangle at second position, now triangle at what position? First position. Which option given you the position 1? Option A, right? So which is nothing but this switch is the answer. See how simply I did the problem. But in order to do that, you need to have a good theoretical knowledge, which we explained in our Prepinster Prime, and also good practice on the questions what we have given in the prepinster.com. Next, based on the numbers, which is called another, you can see game-based aptitude section. Here you can practice a lot of things. Okay, digit challenge. Sorry, I forgot the name. So you can practice a lot of things, guys, here. Okay, if you want to practice, we have a lot of questions are given in the freely available for the students. You just log in and use it. Okay, just look at here the how to solve this problem, digit challenge. Here they will give you some statement like use unique numbers or one digit you can use only once. If they are given like these type of constructions, use only unique numbers. If they don't given any numbers, you can use randomly any numbers. So for the Capgemini, they won't give you any unique number related. So you can use how many times you need any number. So simply what I will do is immediately I will make this division. Give me a second. I am changing the color of the pen. So it will be a bit visible for us. So immediately what I will do is I will make the division as a 1. So 4 by 4 is 1. Next, according to the BODMAS rule, the multiplication will be first, right? And here also one number is there. So I will write 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So I need to get 14. So I left with 12. So how can you write? 2 into 6 you can write. Give me a second. Okay. So 2 into 6 you can write. This is not only the answer. I can write 4 by 4. So let's cancel this. 1 with 5. 5 minus 6 and plus 2 minutes. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So this minus 1 got cancelled. In order to get 14, what is the thing? 7 2s are. So for the digit challenge, there is no unique solutions, guys. You can adopt to any type of solution. Okay. So this is your assignment question. Whatever the topic you are learning so far, I am giving you one challenge for that. So please comment whatever the answer in the chat. Okay. So we will pick the top 3 commenters and we will try to give the free access to our Prepinster Prime. Those who did this correctly. Okay. So take a screenshot. I hope everyone did it. And also don't forget to follow our social media handles so that you will get immediate updates from us like Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram and all. So you will never miss any chance to apply. The first thing is always remember information. So follow us. Last but not least, there is a Big Billion Day sale is going on. Not only in Flipkart, in our Prepinster Prime as well. So use the coupon code KTKMAX or Prime. You will get the 80% discount, which is a huge discount. And this is the lowest prices across the year. So utilize that and start your placement journey. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. We are running out of time. So I would like to conclude the session. Thank you, guys. See you in the tomorrow live.